choice today with the 2020 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, roof rack, Sirius satellite radio. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.